I feel just want to appreciate you, especially what you're doing in Tobicon. It's so amazing that kahit wala kayong overseer, kayo ka lang, no? It
Mm-mm.
really reminds me of the women in the first church, sila Priscilla, so
Mm-mm.
sobrang modern day women of faith kayo dyan. So, just want to encourage you na the Lord knows what you need. And so, just be faithful with the work that you're doing there.
Mm-mm.
Ate March.
Ate Malu, Ate Malu, mas matanda ako kay Malu yata. So, na-encourage ako kasi talagang the Lord is, hindi naman sa maano, pero yun naman, He sends people who has walked the walk before. And so yung experience niya about losing her husband, I took comfort din, see how she like bounced back from it. So, na-appreciate ko rin yun, na parang meron kami, kindred spirits kami in that respect.
Yeah.
And I really admire her nga, yung the work that she's doing building a church after losing her husband, keeping the business alive, employing people by herself. So talagang, saludo ako sa'yo. Yun.
Praise God. Ate Manette.
Ako, siguro yung kay Sis Malu, yun, yung business side niya, tsaka yung para sa church nila, at tsaka how she handles yung all her siblings. Lahat naka, ano sa kanya. Siya yung tumutulong sa lahat. Yun.
Praise God. Thank you, Ate Manette. Ate Mel.
Yeah, Sis Malu, believe na believe ako sa faith mo. Yung bang alam mo talagang mangyayari, ibibigay sa'yo ni Lord. I am so thankful about that. Na-amaze ako. Sabi ko, sana ganun kataas ang aking, kalaki ang aking faith ng katulad ni Sis Malu. So, thankful na nakasama ka namin dito sa group.
Thank you, Ate Malu.
Yeah.
Ate Mel.